Haka Jingjia kablaja haubenai ber arja arpusan haka Shillong Langtor East and West Khasi Hills District kadika way na ki Jingjia kabasngausi kabala pensuk jer bat Pynpar Niangkhriat yaki babon ki pajba khamtam yaki bahyeng hasam bat ban bo yaki haka jingsngausi namar ka jingdo hado arngot ki mensim brio. Kini ke Jingjia kadai halor ka long kemi ka ba arpusan senam karta ka tip kerteng kum ka kong darisha lingdo kenshi ringkat ikhun jongka ibadang arbanai ki bala khlat klem na depor kata tang hadien bakila jar ngai haka janmit jongka sitare ulober araja arpusan bat ban penlong yaki bahyeng ban wat yaki barok shimit tat hadu bakin na lapat haka sengi ka babon. Lalap yaki haka step jongka tarik ulober arja arpusan hadien ke jingwat snong balalapat yaki boro arngot na kejaga penlang haka tega snong haka por khandai beje men step haka bedai bat kani ke Jingjia ki hinmen bat ki bahyeng jongka ni ka longkme kim pediang satya bakan dei ke jing penyap dalade hendrai ki suba baladon basyem ya ke jing jongki. Nang ta kala danru ke jingya thu bahaswa bakan syak penyam ke kong darisha kala keno bakala armet nawai buriu bat ubala wan syeng hakapor bakadang pun ban ong ba dei ukpa jong uniu khulung layat huru ba uniu buriu ula berngem berset ru ya ka kong darisha bat yaki bahyeng hasam bakim dei ban ya thu yano ba dei ukpa jong ini khulung badang pun lam kum ta kin mat jing ya Mynta uniu buriu ubadan ha ke jingsha suba udan ha along jong ka yeng kasari ne ke judicial custody hadin baki pulet kila kem yu bat kumjo baki dang penlong ru ya ke jing tok kit ban supan kan mau ke ne ke Jingjia tang bakalong ka mat ya kren tang hapo ke te ke district hendrai ha barok ke ke jela namar ladon ru ki nong mi khmat ki baya tai ya ke ne ha yeng dorbar thawan ke jela ha ke dorbar mangtingka bat ban penlong ru yo sembut menteri rangba ubadai ru menteri katanat kampo yeng uba preston tensong ban hab ban jubab halor ketai ka dorbar kat kum ka kaipot ka bauyo na kipulen ulaong botei uburiu ubala penkam kepa na ka kong darisha lingdo kenshi ye khon jongka ukela ketien bat ubure ye ke jingshisha
semeti darisha lingdo kenshi daughter of late Litmon Lingdo Kenshi and Shrek Jana resident of Langtor, Eastern West Khasi Hills, went missing from her house on 1st March 2025 at around 5:30 p.m. And the family members along with the villagers had conducted search to find her whereabouts. But to no avail. On the morning of the 2nd March 25 at around 9 a.m., her dead body along with her baby was found from one water dam and one riang, which was used as a water source for Kenshi village. Further, on the 12th February 2025, an FIR was lodged at Mairang police station against Rijessing Warjri on the ground that he had threatened Darisha Lingdo Kenshi because she claimed that he is the father of the baby that she had given birth. After the FIR was lodged, information received by the family members of Darisha Lingdo Kenshi indicating that Rijessing Warjri tried to be close to her when she was alone, and this action amazed the family members as to why he is maintaining closeness with her, even though he is not accepting that he is the father of her baby. That the mobile forensic crime scene unit was requisitioned immediately, and they assisted the investigation officer in the collection of evidences from the place of occurrence at Wanriang, Langtor village, Eastern West Khasi Hills. That the dead bodies of both the deceased were sent to Niangkhriat, Shillong for post-mortem examination, and report is still awaited.
Hashwa kani wat ka Committee on Empowerment of Women ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly haka jinga lam khmat jong ka kong Santa Mary Shilla ka MLA na sutanga saipung kum ka chairperson kala hiar shikani ka snong bani kendu yaki bahayeng. Hagani ka jinglet jengok ka committee ya ka kong Santa lai don lang dau ba Matthew Beyond Star Korba uba Albert nong rom bat uba Bright Star Well Marbanyang ki badai ki MLA nang ta ka Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District ka kong Anita Kharpor ki bor pulet usordar ka Langtor bat ki noyalam snong.
Kono-kono yang dala Dan kata Mynta penyerap tu ni.
Kamu kabasay ka daro Mynta, nakaliang jati ang kibahay yung basam. Tingkong dari siya. Lindok. Kopi kuah, kopi terang kalong di siya.
Ya, orang sini inspection apa tu?
Tadi ko kung samdo, marhangi dasi kalau kolong ke issue kalau balik kaman. Daya pi kung kolong yung sab, kung pajak ndriu na do na pat. Kaya man siya. Buluy mo, sumi angot.
Yung sepersangkap balak apa yung yang konon tu. Yung sepersangkap bayi kami nak menyerap mereka. Kami tak kata kerjing kehok jongpi yang dibisar ke badan kam. Yang saya push yang jongni sudah kod na sudah doan nuka ain kadam ka police department ni sepersangkap.
Hakajingbot dien jong Shillong Mail kata hadien san po ngi bat ka jingwat jing tip na katlong khubor la yo ban lum jing tip ba ka kai pot post mortem ka bala pendap han Niangkhriat hospital mau diang u investigation officer ula dap ban yo priang bat un sa IT sya ka ying bishar hakawai ka liang ka wai pat ka tlong khubor ka yathu baki pulet kidang petang ya ka jing toket henry ka ba pensuki ka dei namar ba kim pat yo priang ya ka kai pot forensic scientific laboratory FSL hadien bagi pulit kila lum yaki sabut na kejaka balap yaki met yap.
Habatin pej bahagi ke shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpunyang kadut pej ya ke shop plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.